Hi, what you're seeing on my screen right now is the data usage statistics that has been saved when I enabled Lite mode in the Google Chrome application on my Android phone. The statistics shown here is captured for a period of 28 days from Feb 25 and until March 26 for the websites that I have browsed on my Google Chrome application on my Android phone. We use Google Chrome to browse for informations. Sometimes it might happen that if we have a very bad internet, then the loading of the information via websites on the browser might be very slower. And also in other cases, it might be that if there are a lot of applications running in the background too, the information loading on the Google Chrome browser could be too slower. Enabling Lite mode option provided in the Google Chrome browser would help to load the images very faster. In this video, I will show you how to enable Lite mode in Google Chrome browser so that it helps you to load any of the websites very faster than earlier that you would be able to view. Hi, welcome to Teach Me K channel. If you are watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel to stay updated with my videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video. Let's get started. First, let me open my Google Chrome browser. And once you open up the Google Chrome browser, this is how the home page looks like. Click on the three dots in the vertical fashion that is available at the top right hand here. Once you click on that, click on settings that you see at the little bottom here. Once you click on settings, you will see two kinds of settings here. One is the basics and another one is advanced. So scroll down under the advanced section, you will see Lite mode, which is in off currently. So once you click on that, so you will see here the Lite mode is turned off. You could also read here that in Lite mode, Chrome loads pages faster and uses up to 60% less data. So just enable this option here and you will see the history so far that I have saved using the Lite mode. One more advantage of enabling Lite mode on your Google Chrome browser would also help you to save your internet or the data on your phones. I hope enabling the Lite mode on your Android phones on Google Chrome browser would help you load the websites or the information that you're searching on Google Chrome browser to load very faster and also help you to save the data. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.